They look simple, don't they? But these little laddus carry stories. Stories of grandmothers, stories of healing, stories of strength and of nature's forgotten power. In today's world, where pills are our first choice, this recipe is a return to roots. We are making Halim Seed Laddus, an ancient nourishing recipe that supports hair growth, hormonal balance, postpartum recovery and immunity. All of this packed into one little powerhouse. This is my way of bringing natural wellness back through age-old forgotten traditions. Let's begin this healing journey one seed at a time. These are Halim seeds, also known as Aliv seeds or Garden Cress seeds. Don't go by their size, because what they carry inside is extraordinary. These seeds are rich in iron, folate, protein, omega-3 and plant-based estrogens, making them an excellent ally for hair fall, for menstrual irregularities, postpartum fatigue, low energy, immunity boosting, skin health and anemia. And what's more, these nutrients are best absorbed when paired with fat, which is why a coconut is such a beautiful companion in this recipe. Let's start with the seeds. Take half cup of Halim seeds and dry roast them on low flame for just 1 to 2 minutes. Watch closely. The moment they start to pop gently, switch off the gas. They are sensitive and can burn quickly if overheated. Transfer them to a strainer and rinse under the running water. This will help remove any dust and make the final laddus even more nutritious and clean. Now soak them in about half to 3/4 cup of water for 1 to 2 hours. They will swell up beautifully, becoming soft and jelly-like. This transformation is almost meditative to watch. While the seeds are soaking, let's prepare the rest of our ingredients. Half cup of roughly chopped almonds, 1.5 to 2 cups of jaggery, either grated or finely chopped for easier melting, 3 to 3.5 cups of dry coconut powder or desiccated coconut. Now if you have fresh coconut, even better. And finally 1 tablespoon of ghee for that perfect blend of taste and nutrition. I am heating the 1 tablespoon of ghee in a thick bottom pan and adding the chopped almonds and sauteing them gently till they turn golden brown. This brings out their beautiful aroma and also the crunch. Next, we add the jaggery and let it melt slowly. Stir it with love and patience. You will see it turn into a golden syrup, thick, rich and fragrant. Now add the coconut and stir till it becomes one. This is where I will pause for a second and smile, because this mix to me is a connection of ingredients, of intention and of nourishment. Finally, add the soaked Halim seeds and stir gently till everything is beautifully combined. Once it cools down just a little, take small portions and roll them into laddus. This is the best part I enjoy most, shaping health into something so simple and so joyful. These laddus can be stored in an airtight container and kept at room temperature for 4 to 5 days, but I would recommend refrigerating them, especially if you have used fresh coconut. They stay fresh and potent up to 3 weeks in the fridge, and they taste even better as the days go by. This is not just a recipe, it's a message from the past, a reminder that healing does not always come in a bottle. Sometimes it comes from the seeds, soaked with care, stirred with tradition and served with love. I hope you will try making these Halim Laddus at home. When you do, drop a heart in the comments and share your experience. I personally reply to every comment, and your stories truly inspire me to keep going. If this video helped you reconnect with your health and your heritage, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us bring natural wellness back together. Until next time, eat mindfully, heal naturally and stay rooted.